DoNotPay Legal Rights iApp. The pros, the cons. The DoNotPay Legal Rights iApp is designed to give users instant access to legal tools, but most people get this wrong when they assume it replaces lawyers entirely. The surprising truth is that it can handle a wide range of legal tasks, from contesting fines to drafting simple documents, making legal support more accessible than ever. One major pro is speed. The iApp guides users step by step, quickly generating forms or letters, and even submitting claims for issues like parking tickets or subscription disputes. This reduces time spent navigating complex legal processes. Another advantage is affordability. Traditional legal assistance can be costly, but DoNotPay provides many services for a fraction of the cost or even for free, making it ideal for individuals with minor legal needs. On the downside, the app cannot handle complex or high-stakes legal matters such as litigation, criminal defense, or complicated contracts. Users should understand its limits and avoid relying solely on it for critical decisions. In conclusion, the DoNotPay Legal Rights iApp is a revolutionary tool for managing small legal tasks efficiently, affordably, and accurately. It empowers users to take control of everyday legal issues while reducing frustration. For major cases, combining iAssistance with professional advice is still essential.